So I've been out traveling for a couple of days, but I still have to practice the drums. So yesterday I did not practice on my practice pad, but I actually used my phone because there's tons of great apps you can use when you practice. So what I did, I'm working with the Meshuggah song, Bleed, and then there's this technical, very tricky rhythm. So I started to track it down in this one, as you can see here. And this is great because here you can then add all the notes and figure it out. So it sounds something like this. And yeah. And by creating this rhythm on the phone, this is much slower than normal, so I can speed it up and speed it down. By doing this, the brain gets its exercise. It's not just about the body, it's about the head as well. And then finally sometime I can go up to regular tempo. So that's just my 5 cents. You always need to practice. See ya.